Welcome back to Edulap. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn a quick and professional way to display positive variances in green and negative variances in red using Excel's custom formatting. This is a much faster alternative to conditional formatting for simple datasets. As you can see, we have a table showing actual versus budget figures. In the variance column, we've calculated the difference. Right now, it's just plain text, which makes it hard to distinguish the wins from the losses at a glance. Step 1. Open Format Cells. To start, select all the values in your variance column. Right-click on the selection and choose Format Cells. Once the window pops up, go to the category list on the left and select Custom. Step 2. Entering the code. Now, look at the type box. Delete whatever is in there, and let's type our custom code. First, we'll handle the positive numbers. Type green, followed by the number format, ###0. Next, add a semicolon, safe, to separate the positive. And negative instructions. For the negative numbers, type red, then open a parenthesis. Type ###0 and close the parenthesis. This will wrap negative numbers in. Brackets, making them stand out beautifully. Click OK. Look at that. Your positive numbers are instantly green, and your negative numbers are red and bracketed. The best part? If you change your actual or budget figures, the colors will update automatically. Here is the exact code on the screen for you to copy. If you found this Edulap tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel masterclasses. See you in the next one.